Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can dispute hard Inquire on Credit Karma. So let's jump right in. First, confirm whether the inquiry is truly unauthorized. A hard inquiry usually occurs when you apply for credit, such as a loan or credit card, and it can affect your credit score. If you did not authorize it, it could be a reporting error or even a sign of identity theft. Begin by reviewing your credit reports from all three major bureaus: TransUnion and Equifax, accessible through Credit Karma, and Experian, available via annualcreditreport.com. If the inquiry appears on your TransUnion report, you can use Credit Karma's built-in direct dispute tool. Navigate to the dispute section on Credit Karma, locate the incorrect inquiry, and submit a dispute with an explanation that you did not authorize it. TransUnion typically investigates within 30 days. For Equifax and Experian, you'll need to file disputes directly through their websites or by sending a certified letter. The letter should include your personal details, a copy of your report with the inquiry marked, an explanation of why it's incorrect, and supporting documents such as a photo ID and a utility bill. In addition, you should contact the company that made the inquiry to ask for clarification and request that they remove the inquiry if it was made in error. If the inquiry is the result of identity theft, report it to identitytheft.gov, file a police report, and consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze on your accounts. After you've submitted your dispute, monitor your credit report for updates. The credit bureau is required to investigate and inform you of the results within about 30 to 45 days. If your dispute is unsuccessful, you can add a consumer statement to your credit report explaining the situation.